Here I have Samsung Galaxy J3 Prime, and let me show you how to enter the emergency mode on the following device. So all you need to do is just press power key. Here choose emergency mode. Let's choose the following instructions by choosing I have read the agreement, tap agree, tap turn on, and the device is turning into the emergency mode. Let's wait a few seconds. Excellent. Here, as you can see, you can use the flashlight, you can use the emergency alarm, you can share your location, you can use the phone or the internet. This mode have a lot of restrictions to save some battery, and if you would like to quit this mode, let's use the more key and choose turn off the emergency mode. The device is quitting the emergency mode and turning the normal mode. And that's it. Now you can use your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.